let's see in this lesson how to indicate the time of a meeting. So as usual for this how-to series, we just take few examples. If you want more, I've got a lot of phrases waiting for you. The first one, let's meet at 8 sharp. Rendez-vous à 8 heures précises. Rendez-vous à 8 heures précises. Rendez-vous à 8 heures précises. So we'll see that for this sharp concept, we've got two options in French. The first one is this one, précis. So in that case, we'll put, because it's an adjective, we'll put the feminine form and the plural, précise. Okay. The second option will be this one, and it's not an adjective, so it means that it doesn't change whether it's singular or plural, so meaning by that une heure or 10 heures doesn't change, it's always pile, P-I-L-E. So let's see now. Let's meet at 10 sharp. Rendez-vous à 10 heures pile. Rendez-vous à 10 heures pile. Rendez-vous à 10 heures pile. Let's meet in the afternoon. So now it's like not as precise as we had previously. Rendez-vous dans l'après-midi. Rendez-vous dans l'après-midi. Rendez-vous dans l'après-midi. Let's meet between 10 and 11 a.m. Rendez-vous entre 10 et 11 heures. Rendez-vous entre 10 et 11 heures. So you can see that we can use this entre, between, and then don't forget the et after to give the second thing. Let's meet tomorrow. Rendez-vous demain. Rendez-vous demain. Rendez-vous demain. Let's meet next week. Rendez-vous la semaine prochaine. Rendez-vous la semaine prochaine. Rendez-vous la semaine prochaine. And the last one. Let's meet when we both have the time. Rendez-vous quand nous aurons tous les deux le temps. Rendez-vous quand nous aurons tous les deux le temps. Rendez-vous quand nous aurons tous les deux le temps. So obviously we've got many other ways to express this concept. Rencontrons-nous, retrouvons-nous. So many options would be possible, but it would be endless. And then I've been covering these things in the phrases. So if you want to have more examples, go to the phrases and you will find what you are looking for. Merci beaucoup.